If you're a NEET aspirant, this might be harsh for you because I'm not here to motivate you. I'm here to tell you the kind of truth that might just wake you up. Number 1, no one's coming to save you. Here's the harsh truth. Nobody can sit with your books for you. Nobody can force you to revise. Literally nobody can make the hours you need to put in magically appear. You can get guidance, tips, strategies, tricks, hacks that might help you, but at the end of the day, it's your effort, your studies, your consistency, your decisions that will decide your rank. If you will wait for someone else to fix your preparation, you will be literally waiting forever. The moment you take ownership of your journey, that's when things start to change. Number 2 is you are not tired, you are undisciplined. Let's be honest, most students aren't actually exhausted. They are just inconsistent. They study for 3 days and then skip 2 days. They study 1 chapter and then scroll for an hour. And then they say they are burnt out. No, actually you're not burnt out. You are just distracted. You are letting your brain get addicted to comfort and then you are calling it tiredness. If you can scroll for an hour or you can binge watch 3 episodes straight, then you have the energy. You're just not putting it in the right direction. Number 3 is consistency over motivation. Motivation is really very temporary. What gets you on the track, what moves you forward on the track is your discipline. Motivation is really very temporary and it will fade away. Some days you'll feel like a machine studying for 9 to 10 hours a day, but the other days you'll feel like giving up. And that's very normal. Winners and toppers don't rely on motivation. They rely on systems, they rely on habits, and they rely on showing up every single day, no matter what. And the truth is, if you can show up on the days that you don't feel like doing your work, are the days that you are moving towards your goal. Number 4 is stop comparing your chapter count. Everyone's journey is very different. Some start the preparation early and then revise more. Some start the preparation late, but still they make it. Stop looking left and right. Someone else's speed doesn't define your worth. Understand the concepts deeply, revise repeatedly. It's not about how fast you finish. It's about how much you retain and for how longer you retain. Number 5 is, I'll start fresh tomorrow, the biggest lie. This line has ever killed more dreams than failure ever did because tomorrow never comes. It's always after this exam, after this break, or after this distraction. If you can't discipline yourself today, you won't magically clear the exam tomorrow. Your future self is built by the habits, by the decisions that you make today. An extra hour today matters more than 10 fresh starts tomorrow. Number 6 is the next 6 months will define everything. Now you don't have an year left. You only have 6 months remaining. So every single day counts. There's no time for half-hearted efforts or your distractions. If you push yourselves, focus ruthlessly, and follow a smart strategic plan for the next 6 months, you can still completely change your rank. This is the window to close the gaps, to master your weak concepts, and to build unstoppable momentum. 6 months of total focus can beat an year of inconsistent effort, but only if you commit to it fully right now. So stop lying to yourself. Stop waiting for the perfect moment to start. Start right now. This is your moment, right here, right now. If you want guidance, structure, and a program designed to get results, I have opened my mentorship program where you get personalized study plans and revision schedules based on your strengths and your weaknesses, various tips and hacks, and various strategies for your NEET preparation, and obviously an accountability partner that is me myself. So if you want me to help you personally in your NEET preparation, then message me on my WhatsApp number. The WhatsApp number and the further details are given in the pinned comment and also in the description box. But always remember, right guidance and right strategies will give you the push. But it is only you who have to walk this path. You have to put in the hours, you have to put in the energy for this examination. Decide today that you're done waiting. Decide today that you'll save yourself. Everything can change if you choose so. And if you want my help, then do not forget to message me on my WhatsApp number for the mentorship. And if you're watching this video till now, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and the like button. And also comment down if you're ready to change your future right now.